Blessings flow, and with this thought in mind, I know just where to go. Dear Jesus, I love you. You're a friend of mine. You supply my every need. My hungry soul you feed. I'm aware you are my source, from which all blessings